Yeah. Hello, it's me, Cute Kitty Serious, and today we have the Nerf Elite Rough Cut. It's like basically a sawed-off shotgun, which is why I bought it. Why I bought it. I'm fucking retarded. Alright, let's get straight into it. Attention. Need password. I can't fucking read that, bruh. Sorry, mate. Oh, fuck you. Are you fucking... I hate that. Alright, so... Alright. Oh, fuck. Okay. So this has 8 shots in it. Jeez. The brightness is so fucking dim on my camera. Whoa. Okay, there we go. So, just gonna load this. So I got this from Walmart. Oh shit. So that shot off the 2 first. Shot off the second. So basically it is just a 4-shot gun. Oh, how does that work? I put it on the bottom. So I'll put one here, then I'll put another one here. Let's see what happens. So which one will shoot? They both shot. Okay. What if we do 1, 2, 3. We have that one remaining. Fuck.